Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you find that text is hard to read on your background images, this is the best way to add it. Let's see how to create this professional PowerPoint slide. First, let's delete the current slide and insert a new blank one. Go to the Insert tab and add your background image. If your image doesn't fit the slide dimensions, select the image. Go to the Picture Format tab and under Crop, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Click outside the picture to apply it. Now you can scale the image to cover the slide perfectly. Now duplicate the image by pressing Ctrl+D. Align the duplicated image so it fits perfectly over the original. Select the top image, go to the Picture Format tab, click on Artistic Effects, and choose the Blur effect. Select the blurred image again, and go back to the Picture Format tab. Click Crop, and drag the handle to crop exactly half of the image. Click outside to apply. Now we have this half-blurred look. Let's position it like this. Right-click on the blurred part. Go to Format Picture, and under Artistic Effects, increase the radius to 80. Then, go to Corrections and choose a darker brightness option. Now let's add the text. Go to the Insert tab, click Text Box, and draw it like this. Type your content inside. Let's make the description text a bit smaller and position the text box over the blurred area. Select both the blurred image and the text box by holding the Control key. Go to the Format tab and group them. Now, you can move both at once. Right-click on the slide in the sidebar and select Duplicate Slide. Go back to the first slide and zoom out. Now, move this entire grouped part completely off the slide. For the final step, let's add the Morph transition to the second slide. Now we're done. Let's watch the slideshow. Perfect! This is a very simple design, yet it adds a professional touch to your slides. If you want to see more tutorials like this, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.